Hello and welcome to WinDriver Quick. In this video, we will cover the distributing of a driver with and without WinDriver's kernel module. The full distribution guidelines can be found on WinDriver's documentation. If you're not sure what an INF is, please watch the INF tutorial video at WinDriver's Academy on our website. 4 essential files should be included in every distribution package. The sys file that facilitates communication between the user mode application and the hardware device. 2 INFs, one for the driver and one for the device. And a catalog file that verifies that the driver files meets Windows driver signing requirements. There are 2 ways to distribute a driver with WinDriver. The first one is using WinDriver's device INF and the sys file. These components are already available and signed on WinDriver folder. However, note that your customer may see WinDriver's name and not a name you chose for your driver by yourself. The second option is to distribute a fully renamed driver using the automatically generated components on the redist folder. This way, the driver will carry the name you choose for it. After generating it, the entire package should be digitally signed to be installed. We haven't finished yet. Before distributing, we need to make sure that we have the right driver name coded on our driver, the right INF is installed, and which catalog file we should sign. Before distributing, make sure to include the distribution license in your source code. If you distribute using WinDriver's kernel module, you won't need to change the default driver name. However, if you distribute your own renamed driver, change the default driver name to your driver name. Another thing to make sure is that the 2 corresponding INFs required to access the hardware are installed. The name of the driver INF required is mentioned in the device driver INF's name. If you sign your driver with WinDriver's digital signing services, send us both INFs and sys file from the automatically generated redist folder. If you sign your package independently, you must create your catalog file using tools like INF2cat. Developing drivers is much easier with WinDriver. If you have questions, reach out via email or our website. Thanks for watching.